Hey Beer Geeks!
This is just a short video to let you know that we're hosting an amazing live show on the 24th of June.
Absolutely, that's Saturday, that's next week if you're watching this live, and we will be joined by the incredible Elusive Brew, one of our lovely Patreons.
Thank you.
One of the best home brewers in the country, and now professional brewer and multi-award winning brewer. Yes, get that open. So we host these live shows every single month in which you get to drink along with us and professional brewers live on YouTube. And we have an incredible lineup from Elusive this time. Perhaps one of the best lineups we've ever had. We've got a mild, we've got a sour, we've got a pale ale, we've got an amazing mashup of the OG, no, the GOAT, not the OG.
The GOAT.
The GOAT of West Coast IPAs in the country, Oregon Trail, with one of our favourite session cask ales, Oakham Citra. We've got Morris Man, which Brad is very excited about.
Doing a
because of
dance.
his weird fetish, which is a double chocolate dry stout. Then we've got Oregon Trail itself. We've got a Saison, dry hop with Nelson.
Come on.
And then we've got Imperial Morris Man,
Wow.
which is a collab with, I think that Emperor's Brewing are the top brewery in the UK on Untapped.
Mate.
Which is wild.
You're telling me this box costs £40?
40 quid to your door, pretty much.
How is that so affordable? That's amazing value.
Well, because lots of this beer is lovely session beer. It does exist in the craft beer world.
And, you know, for that 40 quid, you get to join and drink along with me and him. Or him and me.
Who are you?
It's very hot today, isn't it, Johnny?
So yeah, we'll be joined by Andy and indeed the MD of Elusive, Ruth, to taste through lots of these beers. Probably not all of them, but we'll talk about all of them at some point. And obviously you can ask questions about home brewing, about professional brewing, about Elusive. And obviously you can ask us any kind of questions you like. So you can pick up the box at the link below in the descriptions box. We'll also be posting it on social and everything. But the key thing you need to know is 24th of June, 7:30 PM on this YouTube channel. I mean, this is amazing. We'll be drinking this live with you guys. Cheers.
Cheers.